do it. Get man Sam in the studio right now. About to get it down, you know. Yeah, about to
got my boy Mr. West doing the videos right now.
Yeah, about to do a thing right now in the studio.
Right there. Yeah.
You know, man Sam Achivon. Wait for this one, man. This one, I mean, for the girls, man, it's a killer. And we got our engineer right there. He's going back to, you know, to do a thing. You know, that's how we do, bro. You know, working all day, working hard. Try to bring it down, try to bring good music. Yeah. Mr. Achivon in the house, you know. I'm about to do a thing, you know. That's what's up.
Hey, yo, what's up, Bernice? What's up, man? We're doing it for you, LIB. That's a serious promoter. Hey, my boy, my partner, Mike West, Mr. West. He's doing the videos right now.
Yeah. That's how we do it, you know. It's your boy Achivon right now in the studio. About to get it going, you know.
Remember this one? It's my girl.
Yeah, it's my girl. It's his girl. That's what's up, you know. Yeah, so stay tuned, your boy Mr. West, Achivon, you know what I'm saying, in the studio, bring you something good. This one's a banger for the girls out there, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, trouble, hey, making so. Shit, wait for it.
We're in the trouble, right?
Yeah, so wait for it, you're gonna see.
Trouble.
No trouble, no trouble, no trouble. So, you know, that's what's up. So, take it out, you know. Yeah, we'll keep it posted for now. You know, whenever video, you know, we're doing like in the studio, just want to bring it all stuff. Alright? So, stay tuned.
That's my girl.
Mr. Achivon about to do a thing now. You know how we do. Yeah. Peace out.